If you know Fuji, then you already know this. Alhaji Sulemon Alao Malaika. I call him my daddy. He is not just a Fuji singer. He is a feeling. I will explain. Alhaji Sulemon Alao Malaika is one of those artists you don't just listen to. You feel his song, his presence, his history. Everything about him connects generations. From elders to the younger ones, his music carries meanings. Within the Fuji culture, his influence is undeniable. But beyond music, what sets Malaika apart is how he treats people. Malaika appreciates love genuinely. Whether you are big or small, if you show him love, he will definitely acknowledge it. And that's one thing I love most about my daddy, Malaika. Accommodating, humble, and very appreciative of his fans. Many people know him not just for his voice, but for his heart. He gives back, supports people, and shows kindness in a way the public can see and feel. Malaika builds a loyal audience through consistency, storytelling, and powerful performances. And in Fuji music, that is everything. That's why his name carries weight wherever Malaika's name is being mentioned. And those people who truly understand know why he's still respected, still relevant, and still commanding stages today. And this means sometimes you don't need to explain yourself. Your work will always speak for you. That's how I see Alhaji Sulemon Alao Malaika. Or do you have contrary opinion about him? Let me know in the comment section.